Hey, I'm pulling a Kristen Cavallari because I'll look like crap and not have no makeup on. So, sunglasses today. Okay. Anyways, I just called the 866 number to volunteer for the oil spill. They said somebody will contact me via email or cellular. And even though I haven't done anything yet, I feel good about it. But, like, I don't know, the whole thing is really just making me sad. Like, I don't know if anybody else has noticed, like, how the birds are flying so low, you know? Like, the birds aren't feeling uplifted. Like, I just feel like, the weather, like, is definitely setting the tone. The sky knows what's going on in the ocean. And there's a bird on my porch right now. I was just out there for like 10 minutes trying to get it to fly the right way. I was like, calling it like a dog. Because I don't know. And I was like, being like a flight attendant trying to direct it to the door. And, I don't know. I'm about to go tempt again. It's under the lawnmower, so I don't want to like move the lawnmower and like crush the bird. I really hope that it's not hurt. Gosh, I love animals so much. I don't know why I love them so much. I guess because they can't speak for themselves. And they're just so they're real. I don't know. Do you know what I mean? Alright, let's go check on this bird. Get back. No. No, keep going outside. I don't want my dogs to kill the bird. I remember one time I found 2 mice out here. My dogs attacked one of the mice. And, it broke my heart. I, like, made a little bed for it to die in, and, like, I cried. My mom was like, it's just a mouse, Brittany. It's not Stuart Little. I was like, oh, it's still sad. Mice see me too. Okay. Is that you, Birdie? Yes, the bird is still sitting there under the lawnmower. You're not going to be able to tell, but let me see if I can do anything. See? It keeps... Oh, it's so bad. It's running into the thing. Come on, bird. Just please let me show you the way. Come here. See? Ah! Oh, damn. Alright, let's see. There it is. Cute little thing. It let me pet it earlier. I'll let you know in progress via status update. Peace.